first contestant today was a clogging champion. And as the child claims, he still has the moves. From Dallas, Texas, please welcome Michael Screws. Mike, as a child, you were a clogging champion.
Yes, it's something I did in my childhood. It was really awesome because I got to wear like sequins and tassels in the early 90s. I mean, it's great.
You were ahead of your time.
Oh, it was fabulous.
But once you know how to clog, you never lose.
It's like riding a bicycle. Oh, you want to learn?
Show me a little
something.
Okay. Clogging moves. Okay.
All right. So your basic step is just going to be brush, brush, step. And then you brush, brush, step. Okay. Brush, brush, step. Brush, brush, step. Brush, brush, step. Brush, brush, step.
Okay.
That's your basic step right there. That's it.
You know what? I think I got it.
Oh, you got it.
So if you're gonna be with, let's do a little clogging together.
Let's do it.
I got some music. I got some clogging.
Let's go. I mean, it's a natural fit.
That was nice, man. I've never really just danced with another guy like that. But I enjoyed it.
That's good.
It's good, man. So, Mike, you're here on Millionaire, man. You ready to play?
Let's do it.
You want to make some money?
Let's make some money.
We're all counting for you. Let's see. The money you got up in round one. All the money in round one. I'm going to have the computer scramble that money up right now. All right. Now let's see your categories. Let's randomize all the categories and the questions. All right. Everything's all shuffled up, Michael. Everything is ready. Are you ready? Is the question.
Ready, let's do it.
Audience, are you ready? Let's play Millionaire. Let's do it. What automotive convenience was invented by a blind man who was annoyed with the way people drove at inconsistent speeds? Cruise control, parking brake, turn signal, rear washers.
Well, the only thing that really makes sense about driving at inconsistent speeds, and the only thing up there that really helps you drive at a consistent speed is cruise control. So I'm going to say cruise control, final answer.
Cruise control, final answer. Just going to jump right in.
Let's do it.
Michael, that's right. You did it.
Let's do it. Let's get in it.
Cruise control. What kind of money is he cruising to? Oh my God, you paying. Everybody get your clog on right now.
That's right.
All right, man. Here's the next question. In this book about Guns N' Roses, Stephen Davis revealed that Axl Rose came up with the lyrics after a man yelled at him on a New York City street. Get out of my head, man. Rock it till you drop, dude. Light this stage on fire, yeah, you're in the jungle, baby.
I'm not 100% sure on this, but this audience is rocking.
Yes.
Let's ask the audience.
No, ask the audience. All right, audience. Michael needs your help right now, so I need you to go to your keypads and vote right now. Let's see what the audience is thinking. 69% of them, they're going with D. You're in the jungle, baby.
Well, good, because that's where I was kind of leaning to. Welcome to the jungle. Let's do it. D. Final answer.
You already got $25,000. And you're right. Let's see what I'm going to do. All right. We thank you. Let's see what kind of cash we're going to add to the bank. $40,000. Axl Rose, he was a bit of a clogger.
Right, yeah.
That was a different kind of clog.
We won't go into that.
Yeah, we won't bring that up.
No.
You got $40,000 off of 2 questions. Mike, you on fire, man.
Let's do it, baby.
Let's do this.
Let's do it, baby.
Your next question. Wearing a bow tie and collar but no shirt is a common practice for which of these uniformed employees? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? You don't even see the answer.
Oh, you know.
Oh, Pep Boys mechanic?
Oh, you.
UPS driver?
I mean.
Depending on your neighborhood.
I mean.
Walmart cashier? Chippendales dancer?
I mean, if a UPS driver showed up with that kind of delivery, let's just say we wouldn't reject the pack.
Yeah. Hello. This is a family show.
Oh, sorry about it. King Chippendales dancers. Final answer.
You're right. That's right. King Chippendales dancers. We got $40,000. Let's put some money in Mike's bank. What we got? $100. It's all right.
That's all right.
Feelings all positive.
That's all right.
It's all on the upside. $40,100. 7 questions away. You'll be out of round 1 into round 2.
Right.
So here we go, man. This is your next question, Mike. What element was probably a hit with teens in ancient Rome because due to its drying properties, it was used as an effective form of acne treatment? Copper, beryllium, potassium, sulfur.
Cedric, I'm not 100% sure on this one either, and I think it's smart at this point to just go ahead and jump the question.
Okay. All right, that's good. Those lifelines are for you. Okay, you jump this question is now out of play. Let's see what the answer is. Here it is. Sulfur. What are you thinking of that at all?
That's what I had initially thought of, but I didn't want to take the chance.
All right, let's see what kind of money you jumped over. Jumped over $1,000.
Not bad. Still playing.
Still alive.
Still playing.
Let's keep rolling. Here's your next question. Noting San Quentin's vending machines that work and Sing Sing's unprofessional staff, Yelp.com now has several reviews of what? Prisons, district courts, bus stations, DMVs.
Well, I'm fairly certain I know that Sing Sing is a prison, and it's bizarre that they have a Yelp review, but let's go with A, prison. It's final answer.
You jump right in. That's correct, man. That's good. Made it easy for you. All right, Michael, you're doing great right now, man. $40,100. What are we gonna add to the money, man? $7,000.